Hi, Lukas with Industrial Next. Here we're showing you a demo of our world action model performing a pretty long horizon memory insertion task. What's special about this is the precision required to install these memories. If you've ever built a computer, you certainly know that. It requires precise alignment and there's not much forgiveness in inserting the modules. And so here we're showing our model running on Flexiv robots to perform this installation 4 times in a row with all the modules for the server motherboard. This in general shows the capabilities of our technology in terms of being able to not only perform these kinds of tasks that are typically reserved for humans, but also the requirements in terms of speed and precision over longer periods of time and longer time horizons for this kind of manufacturing work.